Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus it's like a virtual career fair that you need to apply, and the company which is hiring, that is FinRise, is the company which is hiring through Monster. Okay, so everybody knows that Monster is the Naukri.com portal, First Naukri portal, Freshers World. Okay, all these are job sites, so same as like Monster is there. And yeah, they are hiring. FinRise is hiring through Monster. Okay, this is it is going to be a virtual career fair. Let me give you in detail information about this. You can download the calendar reminder here, on which date what event is conducted. Okay, so candidate and hiring companies to register themselves for the virtual career fair. First you need to register. Details of the participating companies with their open jobs to be announced. After that, here, first of all, here candidates and companies will be registered, and whatever the companies have registered, they need to announce the open jobs, whatever the vacancies are available in their company, that is need to be announced here. This is the next step. Companies to conduct pre-placement talk. Okay, pre-placement talk means they will provide you the presentation, or they will give you in detail information about their organization. Then fourth step is candidate to apply for job for of their choice on VCF platform. Okay, once the companies announce what are the open vacancies in their company, you need to apply to those jobs if you are interested in that position. Okay, as per your interest you can apply to those jobs on VCF platform. Companies to conduct interview of candidates on the VCF platform itself. Okay, once you apply any job on the VCF platform, then company will review your profile, and they will shortlist you and will conduct your interview on the VCF platform itself. Then companies to announce the list of selected candidates. Once your interview is done with that particular company, they will announce the result of selected candidates. You can download the calendar reminder from here. Okay, I will provide this link in the description box, so if you want to check this video, you can check this video, you can play from here. Then you need to register for this virtual career fair drive from the FinRise company. You need to click on register here. Now you will be redirected to the registration form. You can check here, there are multiple job openings. Okay, so FinRise, a virtual career fair, finance and allied professionals, 8th to 9th of October. Job openings you can check, finance focused, then master classes by industry experts, then panel discussion will be there by corporate leaders, then pre-placement talk to know company and their culture, as I mentioned earlier, then personalized resume and upskill services, and on the spot interview and offer. There are 40 plus companies and 5000 plus job openings are there. Okay, so 40 plus companies are participating, and you need to apply to those drives. Please complete your registration below. All fields marked with star are mandatory, so you need to give your mail id first. Please give your, I repeat here, please give your mail id correct, so that you will get whatever the it may be written test or interview, whatever the further discussion is going on, that will you can receive on your mail directly. Okay, if you give your wrong mail id, then you won't be able to receive it. So please give your mail id correctly, give your password. You can you can write your password if you forgot later. Okay, so if I click here, it is giving me some suggested password. Okay, it is by default they are giving, because you can see here password validation 8 to 30 characters, minimum 8 characters, then contain at least one number, and password matches confirm password. You need to give same password here and here. Okay, then give your first name, give your last name. give your mobile number as well. It might be like some company recruitment, if somebody from company recruitment team will might contact you on your mobile number. So give your mail id and mobile number correctly. Select your current location from here. Okay, then year of passing graduation. Okay, so you can write your year of passing. Highest degree, whether you are chartered accountant, company secretary, then chartered financial analyst, then CMA, then actuary, then MBA finance, BL. If you have done any other degree, then select others and mention that degree here. Okay, so if you have apart from this you have done any other degree, then select this one and write here degree name. Stage of completion of highest degree, whether your degree is completed or you are currently pursuing your degree, you can select anything as per your preference. Year of passing highest degree, the number of attempts for highest degree, how many times, what are the attempts that you have given for the highest degree. Okay, you can write here either 1 or 2. Are you a rank holder in any of the above degrees? Okay, select your answer here. Total experience in years, in excluding articleship. If you are having experience, then you can select here, otherwise you can select as a fresher. Fixed annual salary in lakhs. Okay, if you are a fresher, if you are an experienced, then you need to mention here what is the annual salary. If you are a fresher, you can select 0 lakh. What is the current industry? If you are currently working, you can select as per your, otherwise you can select other. If you are not working, you can select other. Key skills, please select top 5 skills, whether you are good in accounting, advisory, corporate finance, direct tax, then due diligence, finance, credit, treasury. There are multiple options. You can select like if you are good in all these skills. If you are minimum like top 5 skills you need to select. Okay, I may select anything like this. Okay, you can select as per your preference. Any other skills, please specify. If you are having any other skills, please specify here, otherwise keep it blank or write NA, not applicable. Gender, select your gender here. Are you interested to explore below personalized services to strengthen your profile for FinRise? Then you can select anything. Like you can select all as well. Resume building, mock interviews, mentorship, upskill courses. Okay, are you interested to explore below personalized services to strengthen your profile for FinRise? Upload your resume. Resume might be doc file, docx, then RTF or text or PDF file, 6 MB maximum. Okay, then you need to click on choose a file and upload your resume. Then profile image, if you wish you may upload an image from your computer that will be accompany your profile and user listing within the system. And your profile image should be in JPG or PNG format. Maximum size 1 MB. You need to accept these terms and conditions. Okay, you need to accept it and submit this form. This is the application form that you need to apply. There is no need to apply again and again for each company. This is one time. You need to apply this one time, and after that you will get the further information on your mail ID itself. So please guys, don't miss this chance. This is a very good opportunity. So those who are interested, I will provide this link in the description box. Please go through that link, go through the registration form once, fill all the details, all the necessary details, and apply for this virtual career fair which is conducting by FinRise. And thanks for watching this video.